What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you the new whip. So I kind of wanted an older muscle car again. I miss mine. I used to have an old C3 and I was looking for something cheap, something to project, something that I can kind of build and just enjoy. Take the top off. You know, I was looking for a convertible or a T-top. Since I have the Z06, I don't really need anything fast. It's pretty comfortable, so I was kind of looking for something more fun. I took a ride like two hours out, something like that, and yeah. Welcome to New Car to the channel, guys. So this is my 1975 C3 Corvette, and yeah, she needs some work. The bodywork's kind of pretty much all done. To the point that, I mean, I don't really care. She runs, she drives, sounds good. Seats aren't bolted in, but who needs that anyways? Honestly, I got this car on a really good deal, so I'm not gonna complain about anything. Tops come off, and yeah. So it's kind of crazy because this car is 55,000 miles, and to me, it kind of looks like that's the original mileage. I mean, the motor's all stock, the manifold's stock, so everything looks good to me. Everything functions as it should. I mean, the headlights, they don't pop up and down, and I got to figure out why the headlights actually don't come on. The rest of the lights work, and currently don't have turn signals. So I gotta figure some things out before we can get this thing actually driving on the road, get it registered. But I'm pretty excited. I got some plans for this car, and I'm not gonna say too much. You guys are just gonna have to wait and see. So we'll give you guys a little cold start here. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you like vet content, we got the 75 Corvette, and we got the 02 Z06 over there. So yeah, let's just have some fun.